Hi, here's a stretch you can do in the morning or just before training. We're going to get straight into it. So, left leg out, follow along with me. Left leg out, right leg back. Right leg on the back of the foot. Hold it. 5, 4. You count to 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change it over. Right leg in front, left leg back. 4, 3, 2, 1. On the side. 4, 3, 2, 1. Same exercise. Right leg forward, left leg back. Flat on the floor. 4, 3, 2, 1. Face forward, left leg forward, right leg back. Left arm is inside the leg this time. Back foot turns over onto the ball of the foot. 4, 3, 2, 1. We always do exercises on both sides. Stretch both sides. Right arm inside right leg. 4, 3, 2, 1. Change it over. 4, 3, 2, 1. Change it over. 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop the back knee. Bring this leg out in front. Feel the stretch. 4, 3, 2, 1. On the side. In front, through the middle. Left leg in front. Feel the stretch. Right leg is on the knee. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so you can see it from the side. Right leg in front. Here we go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Can you feel that? On the side. 4, 3, 2, 1. You should feel it under here. Right here. Okay? When we come round to the front, we go straight into the frog splits. Hold it there. 4, 3, 2, 1. On your forearms. 4, 3, 2, 1. Stretch it all out. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it back up again. Bring the right leg out. See if you can grab your toes. Bring your head down. If you can't, grab your ankles. Bring your head down. 4, 3, 2, 1. Over to the other side. Bring the leg out. Grab your foot or your ankle. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it back to the center. Back to the frog splits. Into the cobra stretch. I'm going to do it one arm. Hold it like that. 4, 3, 2, 1. So you can see my positioning from the side. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, come up. Hold it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Sucking your stomach in. Pick it out now. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it round here. Now what we do is slowly come up. Slowly come up. Hold it there. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring our legs out. Shoulder width apart. Hold it. Come up slowly. Breathing in. Onto the balls of your feet. And up. 2 more times. Up. And up. Up. And up. And that's your stretch for the day.